All real estate agents are not created equally, and if you are a real estate investor and you're looking for a knowledgeable, investor-friendly agent to help you buy or sell investment properties, then you've landed on the right video. As an investor myself, it was super hard trying to find agents who understood my desires and my mentality when it came to actually buying investment properties. From understanding how to comp deals, pinpoint the ARV, calculate the potential repairs, and even put in cash offers for me, it was such a hassle until I realized that I was simply dealing with the wrong types of agents. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to find investor-friendly real estate agents who will help you get more deals and bring you more business. What's up, you guys? My name is Lillian Chukwueze, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to the family. I drop multiple videos every single week about real estate, entrepreneurship, and investing. So if any of those topics interest you, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I drop the next video. So unfortunately, finding an investor-friendly agent is just not as simple as it seems. Every agent does not want to work with investors, and more importantly, every agent does not understand the world of investing. And that's why I'm super grateful that I learned all about the investing side, and I built that foundation of knowledge before I even dove into the agent world. I was telling these agents that I would give them pretty big referral fees if they were able to refer me to any sellers who were looking to sell for cash. And I would also tell them that they can even represent me in any deal that we make offers on. So like I said, I was basically giving them business that they were not even expecting, but I was being declined. And it wasn't until I actually got licensed and became a realtor that I finally started to understand some of the challenges of working with an investor. And I now understand that agents really just don't like putting in several offers because they assume that none of them will be accepted because they're lowball offers. And as an agent, I now fully understand the time and effort that it takes to actually put in an offer because of all the paperwork that's involved. However, I do think it is important for agents to actually change their mentality and their expectations when it comes to working with investors. It's completely different from working with traditional, conventional buyers who are looking to get a mortgage on a house and maybe buy 1 or 2 properties in their life. A lot of agents don't really understand why a seller would sell for less than fair market value, but it happens all the time. And if you can't get that through your head as an agent, then you probably will be another agent that does not want to work with investors, and you will miss out on a lot of money and opportunities. Now, agents need to know that people take lowball offers all day, every day. Sometimes sellers would simply rather trade speed and convenience over the highest price. And if you haven't noticed yet, 30% of transactions in today's market in 2021 were done with cash. So that means that sellers are taking more and more cash offers that are typically lower than fair market value. And if you guys haven't noticed yet, I'm definitely biased when it comes to working with investors as an investor myself. But quick pause, guys, you need to check out the videos that I made on why real estate investors and agents need to work together, and you can learn about all the benefits of doing so by watching the previous videos that I made. And I'm telling you guys, it'll definitely help explode your business. So let's get back into it. So let's finally get to where you can actually find these investor-friendly agents who can help you grow your business as a real estate investor. The first being referrals. Finding referrals is probably one of the best ways to find an investor-friendly real estate agent because your network is typically not going to steer you wrong. And if you're getting a referral for an agent, especially if it's from an investor who's already done deals and used that agent and can vouch for that agent, then it is probably your best bet. Now, the second place to find investor-friendly real estate agents is the internet, of course, specifically Facebook groups. Obviously, there's a bunch of groups in your particular area that have investor groups, and you can simply go on there, join, and start talking with people. You can even search in the search bar, real estate agents or realtors in that group, and you will see a bunch of different agents who are obviously in that investor group to work with some real estate investors. So definitely check out Facebook groups. Also, along with Facebook groups, you definitely want to check out Instagram and blogs. Blogs like Bigger Pockets definitely have a lot of different investor-friendly real estate agents because that's a platform specifically for investors. So any agents on there obviously are looking to work with investors as well. Third place to find investor-friendly real estate agents are networking events. Events like your local RIA meetups, RIA meaning the Real Estate Investors Association. You can simply Google that in your area. For example, I'm in Google Real Estate Investors Association in Philadelphia, and I'd be able to find that group and basically connect with any investor-friendly agents that I would be looking to connect with. Now, the fourth place to find investor-friendly real estate agents are title companies. Title companies are a great resource because they can simply point you in the direction of people who are doing deals, doing transactions, who are actually in the business. And if you can find an investor-friendly agent who is actually in the business and making moves, then that is a great agent to work with. Fifth place to find investor-friendly real estate agents are actually real estate attorneys. Now, attorneys deal with real estate agents all the time, especially when it comes to like probate properties. So they can also be a good source for you to find investor-friendly agents. You can also find investor-friendly agents from your local mortgage officers, your local mortgage lenders. They would be able to point you in the right direction as well, as they also deal with real estate investors who purchase properties, and they're able to help them get loans and everything like that. So, and then the last way to start working with investor-friendly real estate agents is to simply teach one. So if you find one who is new to the game or someone who's actually just looking to learn how to help investors and work with investors, there's no problem with actually just sitting down with them and explaining to them what you're looking for, why you're looking for certain things, and just helping them understand the psychology of an investor so they can go out and find you these deals. Sometimes, obviously, this is a little bit of an investment on your end in terms of time in the beginning, but if they're, coachable and they're willing to work and they're really interested in working with investors, then I don't see why not. I don't see why you wouldn't want to just teach one, and they'll probably be loyal to you because they're learning a lot from you. So, that's a great way to actually work with investor-friendly agents, is to simply teach one and just have them understand, what you're looking for, why you're looking for it, and go out and pretty much just find you these deals. So when you finally do find an investor-friendly real estate agent, you still want to vet them properly to make sure that you two would actually be a good fit to work together. So you want to make sure that they have certain qualities that would make the potential partnership mutually beneficial. Now, quick pause again, guys. Check out the video on why real estate investors need to work with real estate agents. I'll drop it down below. And in that video, I provide questions that you should ask to every agent to qualify them just a little more. But for now, I'll give you a quick overview on the necessary things that you should look for when you are looking to work with an investor-friendly real estate agent. Now, the agent having investment experience would be great, but I wouldn't make that a deal breaker. There are some agents who work with investors a lot, but don't necessarily invest themselves yet, at least for the time being. So it doesn't necessarily make sense that there are some agents who work with investors but refuse to invest themselves. But some people are just afraid of pulling the trigger on their own investments, but I'm sure in due time they will. But they are knowledgeable to help you find some deals. So even if they don't have investment experience, I wouldn't necessarily rule them out, because at least they know how to work with investors. And if that's the case, then I would say just still give it a go. Next, they must be knowledgeable about how the numbers work with investors. A huge part of work with investors is understanding how the numbers work and how the numbers will play out for them. Now, investors are always trying to figure out what kind of return a property can yield them, so an agent will need to understand that as well. So an investor-friendly real estate agent should definitely have a good understanding of cap rate and pretty much how to calculate the ROI an investor would receive on a property. Now, to follow up with knowing the numbers and formulas to calculate a return, an investor-friendly agent should be more comfortable with making a lot of offers. It just comes with the territory of working with investors. But this also means that the agent should be able to handle rejection well, because they're going to be throwing out a bunch of low offers. Naturally, there will be sellers. There'll be a lot of sellers and sellers agents declining those offers. And of course, you got to make sure that the agents are local and knowledgeable about the market that you're looking to invest in. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Those of you who are real estate investors who are looking for investor-friendly real estate agents, I know it can be a struggle, but hopefully this video was able to help you and you can go out and find yourself an investor-friendly agent. Of course, I'm an investor-friendly agent, so if you are looking to purchase investment properties, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you find something that fits your needs and your criteria. Again, if this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and then definitely hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I drop the next video. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more tricks and tips. And guys, until the next video, stay safe and stay blessed.